eat a burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find it hard to concentrate.
Hi everybody, this is Kelly again. Thanks for joining me on Meetin Veg. This is birthday box number 3. If you watched birthday box number 2, you know it didn't go so great. So I figured I would jump right into number 3 because I'm hoping for a win with this one, and I think this one's going to be a much better one. Just to recap, I had a birthday. For my birthday, I asked for gift certificates for fancy, non-perishable foods. A, right now is a good time for non-perishable foods. And B, I don't get to go anywhere. Sometimes you can travel through food. I said, let's take a tour of all the places I would like to go but can't. This box is coming from a website called supermarketitaly.com. I have been having a really good time looking around on their website at all their cool stuff. So far, this box is so much better packaged than the one from the French farm. I don't want to start like a world war or anything, but like France, get it together because Italy's showing you up. Because I took the liberty of just opening it real briefly, and this is so much better packaged. So I have high hopes that everything in here is going to be fine. So you got a layer on top, and then I am fairly certain none of that's going to be broken. And if it is, like, I can hardly blame them because they've done a good job. Let's just see what I ordered because I have forgotten. I know it's all going to be Italian, so at least there's some clue. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I got some coffee. I wasn't intending to buy coffee, but they had some on clearance, and your girl likes some clearance. So this is, I presume that's pronounced Lavazza? Supposed to be extra strong. It's forte. I don't know, it's all in Italian. I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, that's Italian. And I keep looking at it, I'm like, that continues to be Italian. Nope, just Italian all the way around. It's not much information I really needed to glean from it anyway. Coffee's coffee. This feels like it's gonna be another coffee. It is another coffee, except in a fancy gold thing. It's really well, like vacuum packed. Like, I have a feeling this is gonna be very fresh. Can't even smell it, it's so well vacuum packed. Qualità Oro, Doll 1956, Perfect Symphony, Aromatic Intensity 5 out of 10. Okay, so not super intense. This guy, if I remember correctly, was like an 8 out of 10? 9 out of 10. So this one is gonna blow my face off, apparently. So this is for anytime you have to get up before 11, and this one is for just kind of whenever. And again, they were just clearance. They were really good clearance too, so it's just like, I mean, I'm gonna buy coffee anyway. Why not buy Italian coffee? Like, that's the good stuff. Not that I have been to Italy, I haven't. Oh my god. More coffee. This is Classico, same brand. What do we got here? Intensity 7 out of 10. So a nice middle ground. This is for days when I get up after 11, but I'm still a bit sleepy. I'm not an early riser. If you see me at 6 in the morning, it means I haven't gone to bed yet. What are you? Ooh, I got some Thai tea. I really, really love Thai iced tea. Like, really love Thai iced tea. Oh my god, and I can smell it through the bag. I remember the first time I had Thai iced tea, and it was like a revelation. I had no idea something could be so delicious. Oh, I'm gonna make that right now. Well, not right now, but when I'm done with this. This is how it should have been done. Take notes, French farm. I wrote them an email, and I was like, I'm very disappointed. I didn't go full Karen or anything, but I was just like, hey, I just want you guys to know that while clearly FedEx dropped the ball, like, the ball wasn't that great to begin with. And maybe you should think about how you package things so this doesn't happen in the future, because this is going to cost you money. This is exhausting. What do we got here? Ooh, oh, it's so pretty. And in perfect condition, Viagro. Delicious and spicy vegetarian chili spread. What does this have in here? Hot peppers, sunflower oil, eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, carrots, artichokes, olive oil, mushrooms, white wine vinegar, salt, basil, and oregano. And I would like to have that in my mouth immediately. It's all like chopped up chilies and veggies and stuff, and like, oh damn, that's gonna be cool. It's got like the little wax seal going full fancy. See, this is the kind of thing where, you know, the container really makes a difference. And if this had come not even damaged, but like if it had been damaged by something else that was broken, it just really ruined the whole magic. Presentation counts. You know, they say you sell the sizzle and not the steak. So, last thing you want is a steak that don't sizzle. Oh, but that would be good on steak. I'm gonna put it on all the things. I kind of want to savor the opening of all these things because, like, you know, on your birthday or on Christmas, half the fun is tearing open packages. But when you're watching a video, I think not so much. I don't know what kind of entertainment quality, you know, you're getting. Are you getting value for money? You're not paying to watch this video. Fuck it. Piri peppers in oil. Just like when I was picking out stuff from Milk Street, apparently I had peppers on the brain. These are some, I think these are also called African bird's eye peppers. And you can just kind of put these babies in everything. I kind of want one. Ooh, they just like jump right out when you open the jar. It's this, huh. That little dried part, it's almost like it wasn't in the brine, so it was like trapped under the lid, which is probably fine, but I think I'm gonna try a different one. I'm just gonna pick, it's like the Great Pumpkin choosing the most sincere pumpkin patch. I'm gonna choose the most sincere looking pepper. Oh, I like that a lot. There's this beautiful building heat in my mouth. It's very pleasant. Now, let me just warn you about something right here. You cannot take my word for what's hot or not. I don't know what's hot or not because I don't experience heat the same way the average person does. So if I tell you something's not spicy, it might be. Are these hot? I feel heat in my mouth. I'm enjoying this flavor. I'm enjoying this sensation. Your mileage may vary. They're definitely considered a hot pepper. This is not an unpleasant heat in any way. Like, this is lovely. The flavor is beautiful. I could absolutely see putting this on some pizza or pasta or something like that, like, or in a Bloody Mary. Ooh, oh, a Bloody Mary. Love a Bloody Mary. Combines alcohol and vegetables. Like, what's better than that? You know, maybe next time I do one of these, I should have some sort of utensil instead of just like tearing it apart like an animal. What do we got here? Ooh, Matook's hot pepper sauce. I didn't remember ordering this many hot pepper things, but like, I'm not sad about it. I know I'm getting old, like I'm turning into my dad. I really want to like lift my glasses up to read this, and this is gonna be, I just want you all to know that you're witnessing a milestone in my life. I don't normally do this, but I'm about to because this is some really small print. Here we go. Ingredients: aged pickled Scotch bonnet peppers, water, prepared mustard, modified cornstarch, salt, onion powder, color, potassium sorbate, soybean oil, and xanthan gum. So some of the ingredients are less exciting, but basically just some Scotch bonnet peppers with some mustard and stuff. That looks really good. That just kind of reminds me of some of the sauces we used to get in South Florida when you'd have all the, you know, access to all of the Caribbean foods, which I miss. I don't miss South Florida. Ooh, that's a good one. I don't miss South Florida, but I miss the food. If I ever went back, I think apart from seeing the few friends that still live there, it would just be kind of seeing the places that I used to go and mostly just eating all the restaurants that I miss. What do we got here? Okay, so this guy here, I'm a little nervous about, but I was so curious that I had to try this. This is one of those things where it's just kind of, I didn't look at it and go, oh my god, this looks delicious. I looked at it and was like, I kind of feel like I have a responsibility to try it. I'm gonna try and pronounce this. Crema de Tortella Riccia? Can you do better than that? Probably. Ugh, in for a penny, in for a pound. Let's do it. Oh, it's in Italian. I did the old thing, and it was in Italian anyway. No wonder I couldn't read it. But I think I can make this out. I remember from buying it. It's a cabbage cream. It looks like baby food. And it's ingredients tortella, which I think is just cabbage. Extra virgin olive oil. I think that means salt. Yeah. I just kind of felt like it's a vegetable product. I should try all the vegetable products. I think there's something else in there that's even along the same lines. I remember getting a little adventurous. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I will probably make a video when I do something. 3 things left. I'm going to watch this back and just cringe at all the faces I'm making. Okay, here we go. Ooh, yeah. I think this is Lampascioni alla Pugliese. I don't speak Italian. I'd like to speak Italian, but I don't yet. So these are a type of wild onion that grow in Italy, and apparently they're lovely and delicious. Yeah, wild onion, sunflower oil, white wine vinegar, salt, peppers, parsley, garlic, chili, natural flavoring. May contain traces of fish, milk, and products thereof, cashew, celery, sulfur dioxide, and mollusks. So there might be some fun in there. Yeah, I'm told these are really delicious. So I'm very much looking forward to these. I can put these together with these peppers for a really delicious Bloody Mary. I could probably toss it into salads or pasta or whatever. These are gonna be super good. Okay, 2 things left. This one feels very light. I don't know what this is. Ooh, I think I know what this is, actually. I think I have an inkling. I'm trying to remember all the things that oh my god. Oh yay. Ta-da-da! 2 different types of paprika. One of them is a sweet paprika, and the other is bittersweet. And they're both smoked paprika, and I love these little containers, and they were on, I believe, a sale, so I got excited. And I had just run out of paprika, so this is perfect timing, actually. As long as I'm... Oh. They do a good job of sealing everything. There we go. I just kind of want to sniff it real quick. Oh, wow. That's really smoky. You know, I had some Penzeys smoked paprika, which is really good. I love Penzeys as a company, and I love their products. And I had just run out of theirs, and I knew that I had this coming in the mail, and so I didn't want to order, you know, make a whole big order or anything. So I went to the grocery store and I got some, you know, they sell them in those little baggies, and it's just not the same, and there's just not a lot of flavor. You open something like this and take a sniff of this, it is so beautifully smoky. Oh my goodness, now I want to smell the other one. That was the bittersweet. I want to smell the sweet one. Kind of reminds me of, I was making this salad. It's a very Northwest kind of salad, and it had like some fruit in it, and it had some blue cheese, and it had hazelnuts, because, you know, hazelnuts grow here in Oregon, and I ran out. Somebody went to, you know, the local store to get me some, and I had gotten my hazelnuts like from the farmer's market. I spent a little bit of, you know, more money than I normally would to get really good quality, locally grown hazelnuts, these big, beautiful things. And my friend and I split them, so it wasn't so expensive. And then in come these things from the bulk section of my local Winco, and that's when I realized the difference and why I had paid a little bit more. They were smaller, they tasted like meh, and the ones that I, you know, was replacing them with, just night and day. So sometimes you spend the extra money. This thing opens differently, and I don't know what I'm doing. It doesn't flip up in the normal way, and I feel like there's something here I'm supposed to be doing. I'm just gonna have to figure that out later. Chances are it's gonna smell as good as this, so spoiler alert. Yep. Okay. This stuff. Now again, it's in Italian. I don't speak Italian, but if you would like to hear me stumble over something badly, crema de... Alright, come on, you can do it, Kelly. No, you can't, but you're gonna get close. Crema de friarielli? That meh? You should hire me to do your commercials. If you have a company, hire me to just be like, meh? It says broccoli on here, but it's not. It's broccoli rabe. So it's like a cream of broccoli rabe, which apparently is like a real big deal in Italy. They eat a lot of it. So it's like a specific type of broccoli rabe, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and garlic, and they just kind of pureed it. I mean, it was purely just the spirit of curiosity that led me to buy this. How could I not try it? Now I have that, and I have that. I'm very interested to compare them and see how they taste, and I'm gonna have to go online and do some looking and see what people do with these. I mean, I can't imagine they just eat them with a spoon. Maybe they do. I don't know. I will find out. But I'm very impressed. This was supermarketitaly.com. I'm very happy with the packaging. I'm very happy with all the products. Everything came perfectly. Their prices were pretty good. So all in all, yeah, I'm really happy with birthday box number 3. This is the last of the birthday boxes. Thanks for watching these with me. And if I do something fun with any of these, I will hopefully make another video for you. Bye.
Hey, turn up the caramello and chisel on the shizney. It's time for me to wop. Let me introduce myself. I'm Gino Burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find it hard to